Online courses for kids. Welcome to Online Courses for Kids. In this session, we will learn how to build a drawing application. This application will allow the user to draw on the mobile screen. Also, it allows to save these drawings. Are you ready? Let's go. Please open your browser. Open the following URL, http://ai2.appinventor.mit.edu. From MIT App Inventor home screen, select My Projects. Then select Start New Project. Now let's enter project name. We will call our project, Drawing. Please enter, Drawing in the project name and press OK. Now, you can see the home of your project. A blank screen will appear. Here we will make the design of our application. Now, let's change our screen title. At the right side, you can find Screen Properties. Go to Title Property, and change its value to Drawing. Let's add a vertical arrangement, to add our components on it. From left side palette, under Layout tab. Select Vertical Arrangement, and drag it to the screen. Now, we will change the vertical arrangement size. Select Vertical Layout. Then from the right side Properties. To change the height, select Height, then select Fill Parent, then press OK. To change the width, select Width, then select Fill Parent, then press OK. Now let's add a canvas, that will be used for drawing. From left side palette, under Drawing and Animation, select Canvas. Drag it under Vertical Arrangement. Now, we will change the canvas size. Select Canvas. Then from the right side Properties. To change the width, select Width, then select Fill Parent, then press OK. To change the height, select Height, then select 80%, then press OK. Now let's add a button, that will be used for saving drawing. From left side palette, select Button. Drag it under Vertical Arrangement. Select Button. From right side Properties, select Text. Change its value to Save. Now, we are ready to make our blocks. Let's start programming. From left side Blocks, select Canvas 1. And then select Canvas 1. Dragged. Then drag it to Blocks white area. Now, we will select Canvas 1 again from Blocks left side. The Select Canvas 1. DrawLine function. Drag it under Canvas 1 dragged event. Now, we will set the parameters for drawLine as following. X1 will be set to previous X. And Y1 will be set to previous Y. And X2 will be set to current X. And Y2 will be set to current Y. From Blocks left side, select Button 1. Then select Button 1. Click Event. Then drag it in block's white area. Now, we will select Control from block's left side. The select Evaluate but ignore result. Drag it under button 1 click event. Now, we will select Canvas 1 again from block's left side. The select Canvas 1.save function. Drag it under button 1 click event. Now, we are done with our application. Let's run it and enjoy. From your browser, select Connect. Then select AI Companion. A QR code will appear. From your mobile phone, run AI2 Companion. Select Scan QR code, and scan the QR code on your screen. Now your application will appear on your device, and you can run it and enjoy. Thank you for watching this session and see you in next sessions.